Yo, hello everybody. We are going to do level 1 of Rhythm Song Scribe. So, we're going to do 4 rounds today of some different questions here. But before we get into it, let's talk about the notes that we're going to be using. We're going to be using quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Or, as we like to say, whole note, hold it. Show that it represents 4 beats. You hold it for 4 beats. So, before we get started, let's listen to a track. This helps us set the tempo. Let's review. Quarter, 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 quarter. That's the pulse of a quarter note. Let's try clapping it. Quarter, 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 quarter. That was 4 quarter notes we just clapped. All right, let's try the half notes. Ready? Here we go. Half note, half note, half note, half note. That was 4 half notes. All right, you ready? Let's try our whole notes. Let's just do 2 whole notes. Ready? Here we go. Whole note, hold it, whole note, hold it. Very good. All right, so I'm gonna strum these rhythms on the guitar. You're gonna listen, 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 and then you're going to try to write out these different rhythms for the different rounds, okay? So get a sheet of paper, make yours look like mine, nice and neat. If you need to pause it, you can make it look exactly like it. Ready? I'll even freeze frame for you a second, right? Here you go. Okay, good. So there you go. We're gonna get started. Rhythm Song Scribe, round 1. I'll count you in each time. Remember, we're using quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll play each one 3 times. That was 1 for round 1. I'm gonna play round 1 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'm gonna play it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. You guys get it? All right, I'm gonna write it out for you. We've got a quarter note, a quarter note, and a half note. That all fits into one measure. The next rounds are gonna get a little bit longer, 2 measures each. All right, we're gonna keep on going. Let's see, ooh, tricky one for round 2. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Think about that one. Remember, we're using 2 measures. Only 4 beats can be in each measure, so remember how much these count for. You could fit 4 of those in a measure. You can fit 2 of those in a measure. You can only fit 1 of those in a measure, so make sure when you're filling it out. Oh, I can only fit so many notes in here. Okay? Let's listen again. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll play it for you one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. Here we go. I'm gonna give you the answer. It looks a little something like this. We've got a quarter note, a quarter note, a quarter note, a quarter note, and boom, baby. A whole note, hold it. Nice. All right, we're gonna keep on moving. Round 3. Check this out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play it again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, I'll play it for you one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. All right, we're gonna listen. We're not gonna listen. We're gonna write our final answers for round 3. We've got a half note, another half note, and a whole note. Hold it. Very nice. We're gonna keep on going. Last round, round 4. This one's the hardest one. It's got lots of notes. Okay, I'm gonna play it for you. Here we go. With the 1, 2, 3, 4. Play it for you again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Play it for you one more time. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Last round. We're writing it out. Let's see what we got. We've got a quarter note. Cha-ching! A quarter note. Wapow! A half note. Huzzah! And a whole note. Hold it, baby. Oh yeah. I see a pattern here, right? Every one of these ended, or not every one, 2, 3, and 4 ended in whole notes. Interesting. Well, hopefully your sheet looks something like mine. And we're gonna keep on going. We're gonna go to level 2. I'll see you over there. Have a great day.